like product people are in an extremely powerful and privileged position. There's a huge amount of potential from taking and understanding the needs and concerns of the market and partnering with the engineering team to understand the technical roadmap to how we solve the problems. I think earlier we were talking about we dropped the word responsible AI, right? And we know that term, and like I've spent a big chunk of my career helping a team to um, identify and mitigate bias in machine learning algorithms. But the algorithm, the method of identification and prediction, is only one component of any healthcare solution. It can't all be on fixing algorithms. It can't be all be on improving the accuracy score of a model if the delivery mechanism, to Sigrid's point, if the delivery mechanism isn't aligned with what nurses, physicians, social workers, clinicians, whoever you're building for, patients, if it's not aligned with what they're trying to do, then what good is accuracy? So I think product people are in a great position to understand those market needs, work tightly with clients, with their commercial teams, but also the engineering team to make sure that, hey, are we building extremely accurate algorithms that have no function, get no adoption, or are we solving for the problems that our clients, patients, and end users have? I want to give an example. Um, there's a learning institution out there. I don't know if everybody's familiar, but it's called Out of Pocket Health. Follow them for some of the funniest healthcare memes in the world, but like it goes deeper. There's some colleagues of mine who went through the AI training session there, and I wanted to. I've got some serious FOMO. I rarely get FOMO, but I got FOMO for what they were doing there. Like, yeah, I've been working in AI since 2018. So I have a good understanding of a lot of the technical part of it. And hey, I do a lot of research on what's going on in value-based care and healthcare and things like that. But one of my coworkers, Leanna Leahy, shout out if you're on the call. But she comes back from this training with all sorts of ideas, not just from the training itself and the syllabus and the course material itself, but the connections, the fellowship, the people who are also deeply interested in being leaders on this topic. So she's getting insights from other organizations who are solving other kinds of problems, seeing those parallels and bringing those back to Wobot so we can be smarter about how we address problems. So that I just wanted to give a shout out to that and just give a kudos to people who dedicate their lives to learning and understanding the requirements of the market and how to translate that into something that engineers can be inspired by too.